Hi, I'm State Representative Rich Collins, speaking to you from Legislative Hall. Many people don't realize the chilling effects state regulations can have on job creation, new business startups, and community improvements. In one instance, a church in Ocean View canceled plans to build a youth center on their property after new state stormwater regulations increased the cost by hundreds of thousands of dollars. In another case, an entrepreneur wanted to purchase the site of a former fast food restaurant in Millsboro to start a truck sales business. Environmental officials demanded a stormwater study, while transportation officials mandated new sidewalks that led to nowhere. The plan, which would have employed 20 people, was abandoned. These examples, as well as dozens of others, illustrate a pervasive problem. State regulations carry the weight of law, impose significant new costs on those being regulated, and levy sanctions on those that don't comply. Many state agencies have the authority to promulgate new regulations, but there are few checks on this power. Additionally, while state agencies are required to consider the potential costs and effects of proposed regulations, they are not compelled to disclose this information to the public. The Delaware General Assembly has no role in promulgating regulations and no regulatory oversight authority. The result is that Delaware citizens and businesses have little clout or recourse in a process that impacts their affairs in countless ways. This needs to change. State lawmakers need a mechanism to review proposed regulations as well as repeal ineffective, outdated, or burdensome rules that aren't working as they should. The General Assembly has a duty to provide Delawareans with the voice they currently lack.